Hey, how are you all? Today I'm going to talk about how to assign a different tech for each separate task of the same job. We know that as the administrator of your business, you want to manage everything in the most possible efficient way, and this obviously includes your techs. This is the reason why Kickserv offers the option to create multiple events for the same job. With this option, you will be able to assign separate tasks as separate events with a different tech for each task. You can assign a different tag when you create the event, or you can assign them when the event is already created. We talked about how to do it from scratch in another video. If you want to see it, the link is on the description of the video. And here is how to do it when the event is already created. We go into the job record. This is our job record. We just have to click on the little pencil to edit the event and select the tag we want from the job. We're gonna assign Market Burn for this one, Patrick Bell for this one, and Steve Paulson for this one. And from the calendar, it's exactly the same. Let's go to the calendar to watch it. We just need to click on the event and click on Edit Event. And here we can change to any of our texts. As a best practice, we recommend setting a different tag for each task, so they have more flexibility to manage their own time card. In different news, if you want to keep in touch with your text and customer, we offer a messenger option. To know more about this, there's a link on the description of the video. So this is it. I hope this information is useful for everyone, and see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Bye!